Hey everyone, this is Ryan here with VH4000 Technologies. Got something kind of cool for you guys today. We're actually using our brand new VH4000 Dry Blast. Now this thing has a blend of very aggressive abrasive in it, and we're actually using it to remove powder coat off of some parts. And we want to show you guys just how quickly that is. So let's go take a look. All right, so as you guys can see, this abrasive is having no problem removing that powder coat. Now this is a proprietary blend. We are using an engineered abrasive mixed with another very aggressive abrasive. So it's having no trouble removing this powder coat. If you guys are looking to remove a specific type of coating, we can actually create blends for you guys that you can run in these machines, and that goes for wet blasting as well as dry blasting. So if you have any questions relating to how to spec abrasives, you can call our sales team at 828-202-5563, and we can set you up with the perfect abrasive.